Hello everyone, good morning to all. Now this is another video from the chapter Electricity Class 10 CBSE. In the previous video we have learned to derive the equivalent resistance for the series combination and also for the parallel combination. Okay. Our today's topic is about disadvantages of connecting electrical appliances in series combination and advantages of connecting all the electrical appliances in parallel combination. But before we start with today's topic, we are going to revise the taught portion about series combination and parallel combination. So this is the definition, this is the diagram that explains the connection of electrical appliances in series combination. Okay, so looking towards this diagram, there are three resistances provided, R1, R2 and R3. They all are connected after each other and in the series combination with battery. I am talking about series combination with battery means, see, R1, then R2, then R3 and the same wire is connected to the battery and the other end of the battery is again going to connect to the R1. Means whatever the voltage is provided by the battery, that pushes the electrons to move towards the resistances through the wire. So whatever the current is provided by that battery, suppose that current is I, so current I will flow through ammeter that shows the reading that current is I, then that I move towards the R1, the same current I goes through the R2, then it goes through R3 and again it returns to the negative terminal of a battery. So talking about series combination, the current passes through all the resistances R1, R2 and R3 is same, but R1, R2 and R3 having the different values, that is 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So when the current I is flows through R1, the amount of work done is given by the voltage V1. When the current I is flows through R2, the work done is given by the voltage V2. Same current R3 I is flows through R3, then the voltage is given by V3. So R1 and R2 and R3 having the different voltage, the total voltage provided by the battery is V and this V is going to share R1 utilizes V1, R2 utilizes V2, R3 utilizes V3 because R1, R2 and R3 having the different value. जो ज़्यादा रेजिस्ट करेगा उसे ज़्यादा वोल्टेज लगेगा करंट को पास करने के लिए और जो कम रेजिस्ट करेगा उसे कम वोल्टेज लगेगा. जिस रास्ते पे गड्ढे कम है वहाँ से जाने के लिए कम ताकत लगेगी, जिस रास्ते पे गड्ढे ज़्यादा है वहाँ से जाने के लिए ज़्यादा ताकत लगेगी. सो टोटल वोल्टेज इज V and this V is getting shared as V1, V2 and V3. Yes or no? And then we calculate this and we get the formula for the equivalent resistance in the series combination, that is Rs is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equivalent resistance in the series combination is equals to sum of all the resistances connected in series combination. So in series combination, current is same flowing through all the resistances, but the voltage across all the resistances is different. It is about series combination and this is the formula for equivalent resistance in series combination. It is there in our previous videos. Okay. Now talking about the parallel combination, see the diagram. R1, R2 and R3 be the resistances connected between the two same points A and B. See, R1 is connected between A and B. R2 is also connected between A and B. R3 is also connected between point A and B. Point A is connected to the positive terminal of battery. Point B is connected to the negative terminal of battery. If positive and negative terminal of a battery provide the voltage V, so between A and B the same voltage is there V. R1 is across V, R2 is across V, R3 is across V. So in parallel combination, voltage provided to all the resistances R1, R2 and R3 is same, but when voltage V is provided by the battery which allows amount of current I to flow through it, I goes to point A then it gets shared. All R1, R2 and R3 get the same voltage, but with respect to their resistance, सभी को सेम ताकत दी गई, but with respect to their resistance, जिसमें ज़्यादा गड्ढे होंगे वो कम करंट को जाने देगा. Are you getting me? Okay, so R3 having greater resistance, that is 3 ohm, so it allows I3 to flow through it. R2 allows I2 to flow through it. R1 allows I1 to flow through it. So here in the case of parallel combination, your current is going to share. Up to A it is I, then after A, I1 through R1, I2 through R2, I3 to R3. Again it combined at B and again becomes I. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 becomes I, and again to the negative terminal. So here the current is different for all the resistances R1, R2 and R3. So this is about series combination and parallel combination, and when we calculate this, we'll get the equivalent resistance in parallel combination, that is 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the equivalent resistance in parallel combination. It is there in our previous video. Okay, so this is about series combination and parallel combination. In series, current is same, voltage is different. In parallel, current is different and voltage is same. This is the concept that we have to learn according to series and parallel combination. Now, moving towards our today's topic, that is disadvantages of connecting electrical appliances. Resistance means what? Electrical appliances. Alag bulb, fan, heater, cooler, everything. All these appliances are nothing but the resistances. Okay. So what are the disadvantages of connecting the appliances in series combination, and over this what are the advantages of connecting the same appliances in parallel combination? Now our today's topic. So what is the first disadvantage of connecting appliances in series combination? Our first disadvantage is, in this particular series combination, if accidentally one of the appliances get damaged, it's not working properly. For example, we are connecting fan, we are connecting bulb, we are connecting heater. Okay, and bulb get fused. Bulb fuse. Then what will happen? See the circuit get broken. Yes or no? If one of the appliances get damaged, the whole circuit is broken down. Now positive terminal of battery is not connected to the negative terminal, so the current will not flow through R2 and R3. मतलब कोई एक भी appliance खराब हो जाता है, current will not flow through any appliance. So this is the first disadvantage of series combination. If one of the appliances get damaged, it affects on the working of all other appliances. The whole circuit is broken down and current will not flow. This is the first disadvantage of series combination. Over this, what is the advantages of connecting them in parallel combination? If in this parallel combination, if one of the appliances get damaged, अगर parallel में bulb fuse हो गया, then what will happen? If R1 get damaged, it does not affect on R2 and R3 because positive terminal of a battery is connected to point A and negative terminal of battery is connected to point B. If R1 get fused, still there is a connection between A and B through R2 and R3. Are you getting me? So if one of the appliances get damaged in parallel combination, it does not affect on the other appliances. They works properly. This is the first disadvantage of series and advantage of parallel. Yes, it is there in the notes. I am going to provide it. Now moving towards the second one. Now, second one is, in the case of series combination, these appliances will not get separate switch. If you switched on this circuit, R1, R2 and R3 starts working. Means, sabere ka samay hai, you do not require light, you do not require to light a bulb. Still, if you switched on the circuit, bulb is glowing, fan is moving, and heater is also starts working. So in the series combination, the disadvantage is we don't have a separate switch for the separate appliances. If you switched on the circuit, all the appliances starts working. If you switched off the circuit, all the appliances stops working. So you cannot turn them on or off separately. In which combination? Series combination. So this is the wastage of electrical energy because sabhi ke sabhi. But in the case of parallel combination, we can connect the separate switch for all the appliances. If you apply the switch here at this point I1, I2 and I3, so you can turn them switch on or off. अगर यहाँ की switch off कर दी, still the current will flow through R2 and R3. If you switched off at this point, then it goes through I1 and I1 भी ऑफ कर दिया, I3 भी ऑफ किया, then it flows through the R2. सर तीनों ऑफ कर दिया तो वैसे भी appliance नहीं चलेंगे ना, करंट की क्या जरूरत है. Okay, so in the case of parallel combination, they are having separate switch so that we can turn them on or off separately. And in the case of series combination, they don't have a separate switch. This is the second disadvantage of series and advantage of parallel. Okay, now moving towards the third one, and this is the important one. Concentrate. In the case of series combination, the current flowing through all the resistances is same, but the voltage provided to R1, R2 and R3 is different. It is shared. The total voltage is provided V, but it is gets shared with R1, R2 and R3. R3 having a value 3 ohm, getting voltage 3 volt. R2 having a value 2 ohm, getting a voltage 2 volt, and R1 having a value 1 ohm, getting a voltage 1 volt. The total voltage is 6 volt, which is shared 1 volt, 2 volt and 3 volt. Yes or no? In series combination, all the appliances will not get equal voltage. सभी को सेम ताकत नहीं मिलती. So in series combination, if around the appliance is highly voltage required, so for example you connect bulb, fan, and suddenly the appliance like fridge, refrigerator. So refrigerator requires the high voltage, and your bulb and fan requires very low voltage to work properly. So if you connect these kind of appliances in a series combination, only the fridge will get the maximum voltage and your bulb and fan will not get the sufficient amount of voltage as they are connected in series combination. Yes, because total voltage getting shared by fridge, fan and bulb. Fridge requires the maximum voltage, तो इन दोनों को कम पड़ेगा. Yes or no? So in the particular combination, if the voltage is getting shared, all the appliances will not get the equal voltage, so these particular appliances cannot work properly. In which combination? Series combination. But in the case of parallel combination, what are the advantages? See, R1, across R1 voltage V, across R2 voltage V, across R3 voltage V. So whatever the voltage is provided by the battery, the same voltage is provided for R1, R2 and R3. Means in our India, the MSEB provide us the voltage of 220 volt in the one phase. What? 220 volt. आपके घर में कितना voltage आता है? 220 volt. So that 220 volt is for all the appliances connected in your parallel combination domestic circuit at your home. So everyone, bulb, fan, your fridge, heater, everyone getting the same voltage. So with respect to their resistance, they decide what amount of current will flow. जितना उन्हें चाहिए उतना current flow होता है because all are getting the same voltage. This is the advantage of parallel combination कि सबको same ताकत मिलती है. फिर वो अपने resistance से decide करेगा कि मुझे कितना current चाहिए. That is the advantage of parallel combination. All the appliances getting same voltage, and the disadvantage of series is all the appliances will not get the same voltage. That affects on their working. Are you getting me? Last and the most important one is, see the calculation. If R1, R2 and R3 is connected in series combination, so equivalent resistance in series combination, the meaning of equivalent resistance, resistance of the whole circuit. The equivalent resistance is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, 1 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm, it is 6 ohm. So equivalent resistance of this whole combination is 6 ohm. So what exactly happened? If you connect them in series combination, the overall resistance increases. Overall resistance increases if you connect them in series combination. 1 ohm से बड़ा है 6 ohm, 2 ohm से भी बड़ा है 6 ohm, 3 ohm से भी बड़ा है 6 ohm. Means the overall resistance increases in which combination? Series combination. And if the resistance increases, amount of power supply will decreases. Because resistance is inversely proportional to amount of current. करंट कम हो जाएगा अगर रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ता है. तो अगर हम ज़्यादा रेजिस्ट करेंगे तो ज़्यादा ताकत लगेगी और बिल ज़्यादा आएगा. So this is not good for our domestic circuit because in series combination overall resistance increases. Are you getting me? ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस नहीं होना चाहिए, ये तो बढ़ जाता है because of sum of all the resistances in series combination. Then what exactly happen in parallel combination? If we connect all the appliances in parallel combination, see the calculation. 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Therefore 1 by 1 ohm, 1 by 2 ohm plus 1 by 3 ohm. If you calculate them, you will get the value for equivalent resistance in parallel combination, that is 0.54. इन्हीं तीन लोगों को 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm को सीरीज में लगाया तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस 6 ohm. इन्हीं को पैरेलल में लगाया तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस बिकम 0.54. इधर 6 हो जाता है which is greater than 1, 2 and 3, and here 0.54 which is less than 1, 2 and 3. So overall resistance decreases in which combination? Parallel combination. As the overall resistance decreases, it requires very less voltage, तो bill कम आएगा. In which combination? Parallel combination. So these all are the disadvantages of series and advantages of parallel combination. So this is our today's topic. I am going to provide the notes. Okay. I know it's very long time. मैंने कोई वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया था, but now we continue again with our next videos and the last topic from this chapter, that is heating effect of electric current. Then we have completed this particular. We are going to complete this particular chapter. Then we will continue with the next chapter. So I hope ये बहुत टाइम स्पेंड चला गया बीच में. So I am going to share the link from my first video up to this video. Go through all the videos, revise the topic, and also through this new video. And next video will be the last video from this chapter. Okay. I hope you are going to follow our group again. Subscribe our channel if you like the particular concept. If you understand the particular concept, hit the like button, subscribe our channel. Okay. Thank you so much.